This video is about the different types of gears. Hello dear viewers, you are watching the Engineer channel. Gears are used in the car transmission, the machine drive and other devices. Gears have been known for a long time. In ancient Egypt, gears were made of wood. Modern gears are made of metal, and that is, have an involute profile. All gears according to the tooth profile can be divided into cycloidal, elliptical, circular, and involute. The involute shape of the tooth is the most common in engineering as it has a number of advantages. The author of this tooth shape is Euler. It was invented in 1760. The gear engagement can be external and internal. There is also a rack and pinion engagement, which is formed by a gear rack and a gear wheel. It can be represented as an external or internal engagement in which one of the wheels has an infinite radius. The sponsors of the channel with the priority level have access to JPG and PSD files with gear classification for printing in A1 format. Become a sponsor and get this useful material. The classification is described in more detail in another video with subtitles in English. Click on the hint or link in the description. Gears with involute engagement can differ in the shape of the initial surfaces. There are cylindrical and conical gears. According to the relative position of the axis around which the gear rotates, cylindrical gears with parallel and non-parallel axes are distinguished. Bevel gears can be divided into gears with intersecting and non-intersecting axes. The direction of the gear tooth can be spur, helical and circular. In the direction of the tool's line, helical gear can be right-handed, left-handed and double helical. It is also necessary to mention the difference between gears in the mobility of the gear axis. They can be divided into gears with fixed and movable axes. In gears with fixed axis, the axes have a constant relative position. In gears with movable axis, the axis of at least one of the wheels changes its position relative to the other axis. Subscribe to the channel and become a sponsor. Watch other useful videos about engineering and technology with subtitles in English on the Engineer channel.